Hi everyone, my name is Jordan Lozier and I'm a senior in computer engineering here at Purdue. And I think that internships have been a huge part in helping me grow as a computer engineer and learn more about what it's like to be a software engineer, which is what I hope to do after graduation. And when I first came to Purdue, I don't think I necessarily knew what it was like to be a computer engineering industry. So I knew that I wanted to use my summers to try and pursue internships and really get to try on those different hats and, try on different locations, different companies, different departments, really get a feel for what parts of the industry fit me best. And so after my freshman year, I did an internship with a local web development company. So I was in my hometown of Indianapolis and I was able to basically work as a web development intern at a brand agency. And for me, this was a huge step because it was my first time working in a professional environment as an engineer. And I loved it and I loved getting to code in a professional capacity as well. And so that kind of really sprung me forward into my other internships, which after my sophomore year, I was a software engineering intern at Disney at their office in Seattle. And again, for me, that was a huge step because it really showed me that it was really my first time working on a project of that scale. I was working on their enterprise technology division, and essentially I was working on a team that was building a deployment pipeline for one of their internal tools that they used in the park. And I got to actually talk with all of their engineers who were working in different parts of software. So everything from quality assurance to systems engineers to the project managers who actually made everything happen. And I got to learn a little bit more about their roles and actually build out a prototype that was used at the end of the summer. And so that was something that was really cool as well. And then this past summer, after my junior year, I worked as a software engineering intern at Snapchat in Los Angeles. And that was a totally different cultural experience. Learned a lot about just kind of what I matched with as far as an office environment and an office culture and what I was looking for in a job, especially as I was getting closer to graduation. And so I think that for me was a big turning point when I got to not only focus on my technical skills, but also think about, what do I want to bring to the table as far as the environment that I'm working in, and location as well, which I think is also very important. So overall, I think that internships or co-ops are great opportunities for engineers to kind of get some of that hands-on experience, but also work as, two-way learning experiences for you to find what is the best fit for you as well.